Has your Twitter account been sending spammy direct messages to people without your knowledge? Well, don't worry, you can stop it. Here's how. Log into Twitter and click the cog on the top of the screen. Click on Edit Profile, and on the left-hand side, click on Apps. The application that will be sending out those direct messages for you will be here, and it's more than likely going to be the last one that appears. Simply click Revoke Access next to it. Once you've done that, click on Password on the left-hand side and change your password here.